Hello dear students, in the today's class, so let us solve the problems of exercise 1.2. See the first question, show that the function f from r star to r star is defined by f of x equal to 1 by x is 1 1 and r 2. So we have to show that the function f from r star to r star is defined by f of x equal to 1 by x is 1 1 and r 2, where r star is the set of all non-zero real numbers. So r star means set of all non-zero real numbers, means excluding zero from the real number set. So next question. Is the result is true if the domain R star is replaced by n? So they ask the question, the same function is true if the domain is replaced by n with codomain being the same as R. So only they are replacing the domain by n in the next level question. So first solve this f from r star to r star, f of x equal to 1 by x as a 1 1 and on. Okay, so f from r star to r star, f from r star to r star defined by f of x equal to 1 by ex. Okay, so 1 1. Let x1 x2 belongs to the r star domain. Okay, so f of x1 equal to the f of x2, f of x1 equal to f of x2. So putting this 1 by x1 1 by x2, suppose multiply, so we will get x1 equal to x2. Okay, right. Next on to next is on. So let y belongs to the r star. So this is codomain. Okay. Next, f of x equal to the y. F of x equal to y. F of x equal to y. F of x is 1 by x. This is equal to the y. So this implies x equal to 1 by y. So 1 by y is a 3 by cube number. It means a rational number. This type of numbers belongs to the r star. So when if y is not equal to 0, so this type of numbers belongs to the r star if y is not equal to 0. If y is equal to 0, then this function will not define. This 1 by 0 is not defined. So that's why they mention r star is a set of all non-zero. If we put x equal to 0, 1 by 0 is not defined, therefore function will not define. That's why they mention r star. R star is the set of all non-zero real numbers. Okay, so therefore f of 1 by y equal to, we know f of x equal to 1 by x. If I replace x by 1 by y, then 1 by x is equal to 1 divided by 1 by y. So this y will come in the numerator. F of 1 by y equal to y. This implies f of x is on 2. Okay, so not really f from r star to r star, f of x equal to 1 by x na 1 na 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಾನು 1 1 ತಗೊಂಡಿನ x1 x2 belong to r star domain. ನೋಡಿ r star is set of all non-zero real numbers ಅಂತ, means without 0, set ನಾಗ 0 include ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ set ನಾಗ 0 include ಆದ್ರೆ 1 by 0 is not defined, function not defined ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 0 ನ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, so f of x1 equal to f of x2, 1 by x, f of x equal to 1 by x, x1 equal to 1 by x1, 1 by x. So x1 equal to x, cross multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x1 equal to x ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. Then on to let y belongs to r star, codomain f of x equal to y. F of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by x equal to y. So x ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, y ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x equal to 1 by y belongs to the r star. So if y is not equal to 0, y equal to 0 or 1 by 0 is not defined. So that we put the condition y is not equal to 0. Then cross check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ f of x ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ root x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by y 1 by y is equal to 1 divided by 1 by y belong is equal to 1 divided by 1 by y ಅಂದ್ರೆ y will come in the numerator, so f of x is onto, right? Now ಇವಾಗ r star is replaced by n, domain of this function f from n to the r star. So only change here is the domain. R star is replaced by n, set of natural numbers, and the function is f of x equal to 1 by x. Same only function is same function. Now 1 1 1 1. So let x1 comma x2 belongs to set of natural numbers domain. F of x1 equal to the f of x2. So this is 1 by x1 1 by x2. On cross multiplication we will get x1 equal to the x2. So therefore we can conclude that f is 1 1. Right, now on to come to the on to so let y belongs to the r star. Okay, f of x equal to the y, f of x equal to the y, f of x is 1 by x equal to the y. So x equal to substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ y ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ so x equal to the 1 by y. So 1 by y is a rational number. This doesn't belongs to the set of natural numbers. P by Q for numbers are n next set n ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ set of natural numbers ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Therefore it doesn't belongs to the n. So it doesn't belongs to the n means f is not onto. F is not onto. So if we replace the domain r star by set of natural number n, then the function is 1 1, but it is not onto. Okay, right. Okay, next question. Second one, check the injectivity and surjectivity of the following functions. So questions are, the first one is the second question. F from n to n is given by f of x equal to x square. F from z to z f of x equal to x square. F from r to r f of x equal to x square. F of x equal to x square only given. So there changes is domain and codomain. Here natural number, set of integers, set of real numbers. Okay, so let us check injectivity and surjectivity. Injectivity means 1 1, surjectivity means onto. Okay, so solution f from n to n f of x equal to x square injective. So now let us consider two numbers x1 x2 belongs to the domain set domain n. F of x1 equal to the f of x2. Okay, so f of x means x square, f of x1 equal to the x1 square x2 square. So cancel square on both sides, you will get a x1 equal to the x2. So x1 equal to x2 means f is injective, or f is word 1. Okay, next is surjective. F is surjective. So let y belongs to the set of natural number, that is codomain. Y belongs to the codomain. F of x equal to the y, f of x is x square equal to the y. This implies x equal to root y. So This square becomes square root. It will transfer to the RHS. X equal to root y. So see, this is an irrational format number. These type of numbers doesn't belongs to the set of natural numbers. Therefore, f of x is not surject. Okay, so f from n to n, f of x equal to x square is 1 but not a null, injective but not a surject. Okay, next f from z to z, f of x equal to ex square. In that injective that is, so let x1 comma x2 belongs to the set of integers z. F of x1 equal to the f of x2. So this is x1 square equal to the x2 square. Cancel the square on both sides. x1 equal to the x2. So if x1 equal to x2, therefore f is injective. Okay, now surjective. So for that, let y belongs to the set of integers z in the codomain. Let's consider this in the codomain. So f of x equal to the y. Okay, so f of x is x square equal to y. This implies x equal to root y. This doesn't belong to the z again. This is an irrational number. X equal to root y is an irrational number. Doesn't belong to the set of integers. Therefore, f is not surjective. Same again. This is from R to R. Here it is from R to R. So injective. Let x1, x2 belongs to the set of real numbers. So only changes is belongs to integers, belongs to natural numbers, belongs to the real numbers. So remaining all steps are same only. Okay, f of x1 equal to the f of x2, x1 square equal to the x2 square. Cancel square on both sides. Get x1 equal to the x2. Therefore, f is injective. Right? Now check for the surjective. So for the surjective, let y belongs to the R, that is codomain set. F of x equal to the y. F of x is x square equal to the y. X equal to the root y. So see, suppose x equal to root y means the irrational and rational numbers are belongs to the set of real numbers. So x equal to root y belongs to the set of real numbers. But if y equal to the minus 2, so then x equal to the root minus 2. So root minus 2 is a complex number. This doesn't belong to the set of real numbers. In the case of negatives in the codomain, they are not images of any elements of the domain set, because if y equal to minus 2, then x equal to the root of minus 2. This is a complex number. This doesn't belong to the set of real numbers. Therefore, f is not surjective. Okay. So the function f of x equal to x square from n to n, z to z, and r to r. In all three cases, it is injective but not surjective. Okay. Fourth question in the second one. F from n to n given by f of x equal to ex cube. So I have to check it is a surjective or not, injective or not. The solution f from n to the n f of x equal to the x cube. Okay, so inject first check the injective, that is 1 1. So let x1 x2 belongs to the n. So here number consider matter x1 and x2, they are belongs to the domain. x1 x2 belongs to the n, and f of x1 equal to the f of x2, f of x1 equal to the f of x2. So f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x cube ಐತಿ, f of x1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x1 cube ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಇದು x2 cube ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. So cancel cube on both the side, you will get x1 equal to the x2. So therefore you can say that f is injective, f is injective, or you can say it is 1 1 of next subject. Next is surjective, right? Surjective, for surjectivity, so let us consider, let y belongs to the set of natural numbers, codomain set. This is codomain. Then f of x equal to the y, f of x is x cube, this is equal to y. This implies x is equal to the y to 1 by 3, y to 1 by 3. So this is doesn't belongs to the set of natural numbers. Therefore f is not this type of numbers, x equal to y to 1 by 3 doesn't belongs to the set of natural number. F is not a surjective. F is not a surjective. Next, fifth question, f from z to z given by f of x equal to x cube. Same question, f of x equal to x cube, domain and codomain change ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, so now injective. So for the injectivity, let us consider, let x1 comma x2 belongs to the, let x1 comma x2 belongs to the set of integers f of x1 equal to the f of x2. So x1 cube equal to the x2 cube, x1 cube, x2 cube. You cancel the cube on both sides, we will get x1 equal to the x2. Therefore f is injective or 1 1. F is injective or 1 1. Okay, next surjective. Surjective check ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, so let us consider number from the codomain set, that is let y belongs to z codomain. Okay, f of x equal to the y. Next f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಿ x cube, x cube is equal to the y. So this implies x equal to the y is to 1 by 3. Again the same thing, these type of numbers y equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 2 are not belongs to the set of integers. Therefore f is not surjective. F is not surjective. Okay, so these are the 5 questions. In the question number 2, check the injectivity and surjectivity of the following questions. Okay, so I will continue the next problems in the next class. Okay, thank you.